So to customize our website, we're going to use the Elementor page builder. And to get to that page builder, we either start right here on our website by typing in our domain here at the top. And then whenever we're logged in to our WordPress admin account, we should be able to see this menu bar here at the top. And right here, you can see a button that says Edit with Elementor. So let's click on that. And this will open up the Elementor page builder where we can now customize our website. Another easy way to get to our page builder for every page on our website is to simply go through the WordPress dashboard. So once you're here, simply go to Pages here on the left side. And then right here, we can see a few pages that have been set up for us based on that template that we have chosen. And then for any page that you want to edit, simply hover over that page. And then right here, you can see a link saying Edit with Elementor. Simply click on that link, and then that page will be opened up in the Elementor page builder. Now, to edit any text on your website, all you have to do is click on the text element that you want to change. And then on the left side, the options for this text element will open up. So you can either just change the text right here, or just click into this field in the preview and then just type in whatever you want to change it to. Now, if you also want to change the style of this text, we can just head over to the Style tab right here, and then we can make some changes. For example, under typography, we can change the size of this text, or we can change the line height right here and just make it look exactly what we want it to be. And it works the same way for other elements on your website. Like for example, this button down here, we can simply select it. And then on the left side menu, we can change the text. We can also define where this button links to. So if I want to link it to the contact page, I'll just type in contact in here and then choose my contact page. Now to change images, simply click on the image element you want to change. Then go to choose image right here and upload the image you want to use and click on select. Now, if you want to add a new element to your website, we can also do that by going to the plus up here. And then on the left side, you can find all the different elements you can add. So for example, if you want to add another text element to the top of this heading, we can just drag and drop that text editor to the top of this heading. And to change the text, we'll do that the same way as we've done before. Just click into the element and highlight the text and then change it to whatever you want. To delete anything on your page, simply right-click on the element and click on delete. Now we've spent some time customizing the top section of our homepage, and when we scroll down, we can find more sections and we can customize these in the exact same way. Now, if you want to delete a specific section on your page, you can do that as well by just hovering over the section you want to delete and then by clicking on the X right here. And to make these changes visible on our live website, we're going to have to come up here and click on Publish. And of course, we can also customize the other pages on our store by switching from the home page right here to, for example, the About page. And then right here, we can customize everything in the exact same way. Now, whenever we want to add a completely new page to our website, we can do that by coming up here to the navigation again and then choosing Add New Page. And then to name our page, let's head over to the page settings right here at the top and then change the name here under title. And then we can start building out this new page we have just added. Once it's done, we can publish it by clicking on Publish here at the top. Now to add our new page to the navigation menu here at the top, we want to go to our website by opening up a new tab and then typing in our website URL and then hit enter. And then once here, we want to click on Customize here at the top. Here we want to go to Menus. Click on Main Menu, then click Add Items, and then choose the theme page we have just created before. Click on Publish, and now we can see that new theme page in the navigation menu up here. So let's close out of this for now. And then finally, let's take a look at how to customize the header and the footer area of your website, because that's actually something that we cannot use Elementor to customize. So to do that, go to your website first, and then once again, click on Customize up here. Once you do that, you can just hover over your header area, and then for anything that you want to change, you can see these pen icons right here. So for example, if you want to change the logo, we can just click on the pen icon next to it, and then we can change the logo right here. And it works exactly the same way for the footer of our website. So when we scroll all the way down and then hover over any elements here on the footer, we can just click on anything that we want to change. And then right here on the left side, we can make changes.